JavaScript. It's so funny to see certain pieces of information. For instance, the task 2 HTML and task 3 JavaScript, there are a lot more things to say. There are a ton more things to say about these, but they just resume it to a couple of paragraphs. JavaScript is one of the most popular coding languages in the world and allows pages to become interactive. HTML is used to create the website structure and content, while JavaScript is used to control the functionality of web pages. Without JavaScript, a page would not have interactive elements and would always be static. JavaScript can dynamically update the page in real time, giving functionality to change the style of a button when a particular event on the page occurs, such as when a user clicks a button, or to display moving animations. JavaScript is added within the page source code and can be either loaded within script tags or can be included remotely with the source attribute. And we have here an example. We have a script tag and then the source attribute with the location of we have the relative location of the JavaScript file. The following JavaScript code finds an HTML element on the page with the ID of demo and changes the element's contents to hack the planet. We have here the document.getElement by ID demo.innerHTML hack the planet. HTML elements can also have events such as onClick or onHover that executes JavaScript when the event occurs. The following code changes the text of the element with the demo ID to button clicked. And we have the button tag, on click, we have the attribute, and here we have the code. Document.getElement by ID, we target the demo, and then the inner HTML, it's button clicked. And here we have the actual text of the button. This element will change the button click me animation when we click it. On click events can also be defined inside the JavaScript tags and not on elements directly. Answer the questions below. Click the view site button on this task. On the right hand side, add JavaScript that changes the demo element's content to hack the planet. All right, let's do that. Document, get element by ID. The ID it's demo. Inner HTML equals hack the planet. JavaScript is fun. All right. Add the button HTML from this task that changes the element's text to button clicked on the editor on the right. Update the code by clicking the render HTML button and then okay. Let's copy this div and create a button with the ID click. Let's copy this and say click, and here we say button clicked. Let's see if this works. Yes, button clicked.